I believe that most folks, like yourselves, understand that on a train journey, great adventure may never be very far away. And that long after the sound of a train whistle has vanished, its romance will be safe in every human heart, whatever the age, whatever the time. Most folks know this. Sadly, a few do not, which is a pity, because sometimes that's all it takes to cause a lot of trouble to some of the most precious things of life. Here's Daddy and I when we first met.
Hi there.
Hi, Daddy. Mommy's going to tell us a story. I'll give a wave. Are Thomas and the Lost Engine in the story?
Yes, and this bluebird, and Grandpa and the family. It all began one rainy day in the big city, just before your uncle was born, and I was going to stay with Grandpa. I was with my mum, and I was seeing sights that no one else had time to.
All right, I'll get it. Lily, Dad wants to say hello.
Hi, Dad. When are you coming home? Oh, okay. Well, I hope the job goes well. Yeah, and I love you too. Bye-bye.
Grandpa's been so sad since Grandma Tasha
Died and never comes here to see us.
Well, maybe your visit will cheer him up. Did you get his present?
Here. I'm making him a friendship bracelet.
Honey, that's beautiful.
I'd rather just stay here with you. I'm gonna go up this way.
Be careful.
You always say that. You're coming with me to Grandpa's Bluebird. I know how much you like to travel.
The big city was far away from Grandpa's house on Muffle Mountain, and I had no idea that he and that mountain shared a secret hidden deep within it. Nor did I know that a man called Boomer was determined to discover the secret. And if he succeeded, he would destroy a precious universe. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes.
Hello.
Meet Thomas. And this is where he and his friends live, the island of Sodor. There's no place like it. And if you have the imagination that I think you do, you'll know why.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Appreciate practicing your numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are. What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time. Signed, head of the railway, Sir Topham Hatt.
But you weren't on time, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now, please excuse me. I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a much-needed holiday.
Oh, I think we can take care of ourselves. Get out of my way! I have unfinished business here, and I want to finish it fast! The Diesel 10's back!
Yes, 10 out of 10 for devious deeds and brutal strength. The blast from the past, who hates steam engines.
Maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here after all. On time.
Mr. Conductor knows Thomas well. The island of Sodor is at one end of Mr. Conductor's universe. At the other end, across a wide ocean and over Muffle Mountain where Grandpa lives, is Shining Time, a contented railroading town hidden deep in a valley. This is the place that Mr. Conductor calls home.
Every now and then there appears a sign that points just round the bend to a place you'll find covered in clover. Magic comes over you, showing up right on time.
Enjoy your walk.
This is your shining time, climbing through stars to your own cloud nine. Soft strokes of lightning paint the skies brightening up.
Mr. Conductor likes to lend a helping hand, but some folks never see him to say thank you.
If Diesel has unfinished business, there's sure to be trouble right around the corner.
Sandal fly, boot fly, shoe fly, that's it. Better still, buzz off.
Botheration!
You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing in the sheds, James?
I'm feeling a little blue, which isn't so hot when you're red. I was naughty and Sir Topham Hatt told me to think about all the ways I can be really useful. Then I can come out again.
He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines. Sir Topham Hatt
Thomas!
says the harder we work, the less he'll need Diesels to help.
Help you? You'll always need help. Because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
Aren't.
are. Now, I've come back to find a lost steam engine.
What?
I'm gonna destroy her and dominate you. And then you'll be nothing but useless scrap. Right, Itchy?
Big bully. Stick up.
We're really useful engines. You won't dominate us, and you won't destroy her. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor. I want to fetch him now.
What lost engine?
There, Mutt. Paint job's finished. I reckon Shining Time is the best welcome sign of any town in our valley. Well, I'm glad you agree. Billy's old map sure helped a lot. He's on his way back now, is he? You hear that train whistle sooner than it hears itself.
Fine work, Patch.
Thanks. Is something wrong with Rainbow Sun, Mr. Two Feathers? I heard your brakes go on.
Everything's okay, Patch.
Oh, I've been looking at your map. What are these mysterious shadowy lines on it? They look like straight railroad tracks, but I can't see any tracks around here except for the ones that you travel on.
It's mysteries that make this land so...
Magical? Well, I better be off to Muffle Mountain. I promised Mr. Stone that I'd clean out his yard today.
Does Burnett Stone ever give you a smile?
No, but he doesn't frighten my horse either. Which means I don't think he's a bad man. I think he's just sad.
This iron horse of mine serves me proud. But you two can cover every nook and cranny. If you see a stranger when you're out there riding, will you let me know, Patch?
Oh, sure I will.
His name is Boomer.
Hey, go on.
You're Billy Two Feathers. You know who I am?
You're P.T. Boomer. And you left this valley a long time ago when I first became a railroader.
Well, now I'm back. For 2 reasons. You see that mountain over there? I'm going to own it. It's going to be mine. All mine.
That mountain's not for sale. It belongs to Mother Earth. You'll never own it.
Oh, you're wrong. Now, second reason I'm back, I'm looking for Burnett Stone. Where is he?
Wherever he wants to be.
Playing innocent like everyone else in this town won't work. I'll find him.
Yes, there is innocence here. Don't mess with it. Innocence is here because this valley is built on land that's special. And it's touched by gold dust, too. That combination equals harmony. But you can't understand that even when it's staring you in the face.
Hello, Shining Time Station Manager Stacy Jones speaking. Oh, yes. The 10:15 from Pelican Falls to Shining Time is right on schedule. You're welcome. The 10 o'clock to Lucy's Leap is leaving now. Oh, Billy, I found this child's drawing in an old locker in the Lost and Found. Look at the signature, Billy. Burnett Stone. It's hard to believe Grumpy Burnett could have ever looked that happy.
Oh, Burnett had a wonderful smile. And he loved railroading, too. Here, Stacy. These flowers got knocked out of their basket. Maybe some water will help them live longer.
Why are they broken?
Because a man called Boomer's back in town, and he doesn't believe in magic.